Helicopter parenting, a term coined in the early 2000s, describes a parenting style characterized by excessive involvement and overprotection. While well-intentioned, it can have detrimental effects on children. In today's fast-paced world, helicopter parenting has become a buzzword in discussions about modern parenting practices. This hyper-involved style of parenting, characterized by excessive hovering and overprotectiveness, aims to ensure a child's safety and success. While well-intentioned, helicopter parenting can have both positive and negative implications for children's development. What is helicopter parenting? Helicopter parenting often emerges from a deep love and concern for a child's well-being. Parents want to shield their children from harm and setbacks, but this approach can hinder the development of crucial life skills. Children need opportunities to make mistakes, learn from failures, and build resilience. What to do? Finding a balance between care and overprotection is crucial. Encouraging independence, setting clear boundaries, and fostering open communication are essential strategies. Parents should guide rather than micromanage, allowing children to make age-appropriate decisions and learn from their mistakes. Conclusion. In conclusion, helicopter parenting, driven by concerns for safety and success, can unintentionally hinder a child's growth and well-being. To raise confident, capable individuals, parents must strike a balance, offering support while empowering their children to navigate life's challenges independently.